Okay, we're making the tabs here for the side. 6 inches by 1.5. Fold them over. Gonna glue them here. And then we'll stamp them out later. Okay, now we're gonna sew these on. These tabs on here. In the center, you just fold it. Measure 3 inches down. Okay, we measured it 3 inches down to make sure it's in the center, which is 4 3/8. Okay, on my other bag I put 4 rivets, but then it doesn't really give it enough room to stitch. So with this bag I want to stitch and rivet. So I'm just going to put two rivets in there. There, that's gonna hold it. That'll hold it till we get it all stitched. Brick the liner, and we're gonna sew that into there. Here, we've done here. And this is the felt that's gonna be the zip out lining. So we're going to work on that. Okay, so we're going to start. On this, we put the zipper in, good side facing out, so when you fold it over, it's right. And then this lining has to go in. And then I made this felt piece for the zip-in lining. This piece will go in the zip-out part. I have to sew all this together. Let's give it a shot. There it is. Oh, missed it here. Decently straight. Now do the same to the other side. So here it is. And we turn it inside out. You don't know, you see any seams. Putting on some tape here for the lining. There, just push it all down. Just peel it off. Okay, it's all around. Go in here and check with a ruler to make sure all your rivets are lined up. There, you can see it. Oh yeah, there you can. Just make sure it's all in a straight line to your zipper, to your middle, and all your rivets. Wow, we'll give this a sew. Alright, I stitched around twice, both ends. You guys didn't need to see that. I have these feet for the bottom that we'll punch in after, but we'll just show you that when we're done. Well, let's turn it inside out. We are done. Next video we'll make the shoulder strap and the zip out felt liner. Here it is. I've ordered some plastic canvas for the bottom, 12 by 20 sheet, because it's a lot thinner than plastic, and I think it'll still give us structure. Alright, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching these videos, and remember to hit the like button, the notification bell, and if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave a comment that will be helpful to others. We'll see you in the next one.